Okay guys, so Chris bought himself a winter beater. And what better car to beat on than a 1990 T-Bird. It's got a 3.8 liter in it that's supercharged with a posi rear end. Now if he's got a posi and it's supercharged, not only do you beat on it in the winter, you beat on it out in front of the road in front of Old Time Garage. So here we go. He's going to do a burnout in a shitbox T-Bird. But hey, he enjoys it and it's a winter car. So what do you want, right? Okay, here we go. That's a pretty nice looking car. Well, there you go. A little bit of smoke on a nice October fall day. Let's take a look here what he did. Holy shit, yeah, well, let's look at this. So we got rubber all the way. All right. Well, there you have it. Nothing like having a good time at Old Time. Okay, guys, until next time, we'll see you later.